Hello everyone! Today we're making Lavender Honey Oatmeal Soap. We'll start with olive oil, manteca, yes, that's lard, which looks just like my coconut oil. I have kaolin clay and ground oatmeal, honey in a teaspoon of water, and the star of the show, lavender essential oil. What did you expect? I grow lavender for a living. I have it dispersed in kaolin clay. So the first thing I'm going to do is add a little bit of my oil from the recipe to the oatmeal and some of the kaolin clay, just to make sure I have it well mixed so I don't have any lumps. Now I'm adding the melted hard oils to the olive oil. In goes the oatmeal, ground oatmeal, kaolin clay, all dispersed in the olive oil. Next, honey, dispersed in a teaspoon of water, distilled water. Makes it easier to get most of the honey. And I'll give that a quick stir just to make sure it's all combined. And here we go, in with the lye water. The reason I'm stirring here is to see if I can't get a lot of the bubbles out. This is an old immersion blender, and I think it puts way too many bubbles in there. Now we're going in with the star of the show, lavender essential oil, dispersed in kaolin clay, hoping to fix the fragrance of the essential oil. And now we'll just get it to trace. Oh well. Hope this is what they call light trace. Every batch I learn a little more. Okay, I promise you, it is unplugged. If you all would do me a favor and let me know, I have to replace this blender. Let me know what you think is the best for soap making. So what I'm doing here is stirring a little before I pour it, just so I can get some of those bubbles out, and it looks like it really does help. Unless I put bubbles back into it. Okie doke. So here we go with a little 91% alcohol. Pops those bubbles and supposed to prevent soda ash. And I'll see you for the cutting now.